Hello students, how are you? I hope you are good at home. So students, in the last class, in the first class of fractions, we have done introduction of fractions, right? We have done types of fractions. Okay, so friends, last video I got a comment from one of my friends that you please explain in English so that the students in other states they may also understand. But as you know, in our state like Haryana and surrounding, they know Hindi well, so the students understand in Hindi well. But for the sake of students, I am making this video in English. But don't worry, my dear students, I will use simple sentences only, very simple sentences, so that you may understand it very well. Okay, so students, let us start today's class. In the last class, I told you about the introduction of the fractions. Let us have a recall. Fractions, what are fractions? I told you. And what are the types of fractions, like proper fraction, improper fraction, and how to convert improper fraction to the mixed fractions, that we have covered. Okay, so today we will do the operations on fractions. Okay, operation means dissection. No, this is different operation. In mathematics, operation means plus, minus, divide and multiply. So my dear students, today we will learn how to add the fractions, how to subtract the fractions, how to multiply the fractions, and how to divide the fractions. Okay, why I am doing this? We are doing this before the exercises, so that when we will do the exercises, we should know how to add, subtract, divide and multiply, because all the four operations we will be doing in the word problems or in the questions in the exercises. Okay, so students, let us start today's class. Please concentrate, and there is a humble request. Okay, very humble request to you. If you have started this class, don't skip it. Okay, in between, watch it full, then you will be able to know the full operations, how to add, subtract, divide and multiply the fractions. So let us study without wasting the time. Fractions. Okay, so students, there are four fundamentals. Let us first start with addition. How to add? Okay, this is very simple, very simple. I will tell you, and I will tell you a very different method. Okay, suppose you have to add 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. First we have to see whether the given fractions are like or unlike. Write my first step. First step, we have to see whether given fractions are like or unlike. Okay, तो ये फ्रैक्शन है, this is a fraction given, then we will see whether it is like or unlike. Okay, I have given two fractions and we can see that the denominators are same. Yesterday we have done it. If denominators are same, fractions are like. Yes, these are like fractions. So how to add like fractions? You have to do nothing. Nothing means what? Just write the denominator like this and make one line, then add the numerators directly. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 upon 5, this is cancelled out and it is equal to 1. Okay, So keep it in your mind that we can add only like fractions. We can add only like fractions. Yes, students. Now you may be thinking, then how to add unlike fractions? Students, we cannot add unlike fractions, but if we want to add unlike fractions, first we have to convert them into like fractions. Okay, so let us see one more example to add like fraction, then we will go to unlike fractions. Okay, suppose this is 1 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7. See, the denominator is 7. Okay, so the LCM will be 7 and we will directly add the numerators because it is a like fraction type question. Okay, so 1 plus 5, it will give 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 upon 7. This is answer. Easy or not? Please tell me. Is it easy or not? Now what you can do, by the time I am rubbing the board, you can write one example of like fractions for addition and do it in your notebook. Friends, my dear students, you are my friends also. I have told you many times that whenever I am starting my class, you have to take one notebook. तो फ्रेंड्स, चैनल को सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और नई नई वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन के लिए नोटिफिकेशन बेल को फॉर ऑल वीडियोस के लिए आप क्लिक कर दीजिए. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद अ सिंपल एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 अपॉन 3 प्लस 1 अपॉन 4. Okay, now you see that the denominators are different. Here the denominator is 3, here the denominator is 4. These two denominators are different, therefore these two fractions are alike. Okay, so if these two fractions are unlike, we cannot add them directly. Simple. Then what to do? First step. The first step, write down the first step, you have to take the LCM. LCM. Whose LCM? Denominators. So LCM of 3 and 4. Okay, so you have to take the LCM of 3 and 4. I can take it directly, it will come 12, but you can take, if you are in a lower class, 3 1 4 4 1 1. It is 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Okay, this is a quick trick when we don't have any common factor between these two numbers. We can directly multiply them for taking the LCM, means 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, now my dear students, the LCM has come 12. Now we will write 12. Okay, I am telling you the direct method. Okay, in place of first converting them to like then adding, I am telling you the direct method which you will be using in the higher classes also, because in the higher classes it is not like that. First we are converting them to like then adding. Okay, so how to add? 12 is the LCM. I have written 12 here. I have made one line. Then you have to see what is the denominator of the first fraction. It is 3. It is 3. Yes. So we will come here. We will search this 3 in this multiplication law. Here it is. So we will put our hand on 3. Carefully. Watch it. We will put our hand on 3, and what is rest? 4. So we will multiply 4 with the numerator, means 4 into 2 is 8. Got my point or not? Then plus Now we will look here. It is 4. Now we will hide 4. What is remaining? 3. So multiply 3 by 1. 1 into 3 is 3. 8 plus, now we will add 8 plus 3 is 11 and upon 12. This is the answer. I hope that you have got it, but let us take one more example to understand it very deeply. Okay, because these exercises, these questions you will be repeating day by day in your exercises in this class or in the next classes. So let us do one more example. Okay, 5 upon 8 plus 2 upon 16. Here you need to take the LCM. 8 and 16. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 1 1. So what will be the LCM? It will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. Okay. Now one more trick. When a larger number is the multiple of the smaller number, then the LCM will be the larger number. Okay, means 16 comes in the table of 8, 8 to 16, then the LCM will be 16. Okay, 16. Now again 8, hide 8. Where is it? Oh, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Okay, hide it. What is remaining? 2. Okay, then multiply this 2 with 5. 2 5s are 10. Hide 16. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. Nothing remains. 1 is there. 1 is everywhere. If nothing is remained, you have to multiply it by 1. Okay, and if denominator and LCM are same, then we have to write the numerator as it is. 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 over 16, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 3 by 4. So my dear students, if you have got the addition, you have to practice it, because you will come to know when you are practicing it, otherwise you will not get it. I am writing some questions, write it in your notebook. This is your homework. Do it, practice it. Okay, like write some questions. 5 upon 7 plus 2 upon 8. First. Second, 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Third question, 1 upon 3 plus 5 upon 7. And fourth question, 2 upon 5 plus 7 upon 8. Okay. Write down, please. You can pause this video and write it. Okay, now we are doing subtraction. So let us study, students, subtraction of fractions. Let us start with one example. Subtract 3 upon 5 from 2 upon 8. Okay, from means you have to write this number at first, 2 upon 8. Subtract means minus 3 upon 5. Okay. As in addition, in subtraction also we can subtract only the like terms. If terms are not like, we have to take the LCM. Okay, what that we are doing, 8 5s are 8 and 5, LCM will be 8 into 5, it is 40. Now again same method, we have to hide 8, remaining 5 will be multiplied with 2. 5 into 2 is 10 minus Now we will hide 5, remaining 8, 8 into 3, 24. 10 minus 24 we cannot do, but 24 minus 10 is 14 upon 40, and the sign will be negative. This I have told in integers. Okay, integers chapter I have already uploaded. If you have not got, I will share link in the description also and in tag also, then you can go and study integers also. Okay students, so this is how to subtract. And like fractions you can easily subtract. See, 5 over 7 minus 2 over 7, 7, 5 minus 2, 3 over 7. This is very easy, that is why we have not done, I have done only subtraction of the unlike fractions, how to do it. Okay, have you got or not? So this is how to do the subtraction. If you have got it, very good. If you have not got it, rewind the video, watch it again. Okay, now one more example I am doing it for you who have not got. I am doing one more example. One more example is 7 upon 8 minus 3 upon 7. 8, 7, 56 will be the LCM, means 7 into 8. Why? Because they have no common factor. Now we will hide 8, 7 is remaining, we will hide 8. See, we will hide 8, 7 is remaining. So 7 into 7, 49, minus, now we will hide 7, 8 is remaining, 8 into 3, 24. Now subtract. We can subtract directly. 9 minus 4, 5, 4 minus 2, 2, 25 upon 56, and this is the answer. Okay. So now this is how to subtract the fractions. Now students, let us proceed to multiplication. Multiplication is easier than addition and subtraction. It is very easy. Suppose we have to multiply 5 upon 49 with 7 upon 25. So students, we have to cancel out the digits, but there is a rule. And what is the rule? You want to know the rule? Okay, I am telling you, listen carefully. We have to cancel the numbers. We have to cancel the numbers, but we cannot cancel the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. We cannot cancel numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. We can cancel the denominator with numerator or numerator with the denominator, or cross we can cancel, but upper number cannot be cancelled by upper number, and down number will not be cancelled out with the down number. Okay, got or not? So we cannot cancel these two numbers. We can cancel this number by this number or this number by this number. Okay, now 7 is a 7, 7 is a 49, 5 is a 5, 5 is a 25. After cancelling out, let us multiply. 1 into 1 is 1, 7 into 5 is 35. This is the answer. So this is how to multiply. First we have to cancel out, then multiply the numerator with the numerator and multiply the denominator with the denominator. We will get the answer. Okay. So this is how to multiply. Now let us proceed how to divide. This is again easy. Divide 3 upon 7 by 21 upon 49. Okay. Now let us write 3 upon 7 by means divide, divided by 21 upon 49. So students, before doing the division, we need to understand the reciprocal. Reciprocal means we have to interchange the numerator and denominator. Like if we have to write the reciprocal of 7 upon 5, the reciprocal will be 5 upon 7. Means we have to write the multiplicative inverse. Okay. Now 3 upon 7, in place of division we will write multiplication sign, and we will write the reciprocal of the another number, that is we have to change the places, 49 over 21. Now this is the problem of multiplication. Now this is a multiplication question and we know how to multiply it. First we will cancel it. 7 1 7, 7 7 49, 3 1 3 7 21. Now we will multiply numerator by numerator. 177. Okay, we can cancel 7 by 7 also. Now we will get 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 is the answer. Okay, this is how to divide. So today we have studied how to multiply and divide. In multiplication you can get more than 2 terms also, like 3 upon 7 multiply 5 upon 8 multiply 2 upon 4 multiply 21 upon 25. More than 2 terms. Then you can cancel any numerator with any denominator. With any denominator to any numerator you can cancel it. Okay. Now let us see. 5 1 5, 5 5 25. 2 1 2, 2 4 8. 7 1 7, 7 3 21. Now no digit is going to be cancelled out. Now we will multiply all the numerators. 3 3 9, 4 4 16, 16 5 18. This is the final answer. Okay. Now we have studied about the operations on fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So my dear students, this is over for today's class. I think it's more than enough, and in the next class we will be starting the exercises given in your NCERT books. Okay, so this is for today. I am writing some examples or some questions for you which you have to practice out until my next class is coming. Okay, write down the questions. 2 upon 7 into 3 upon 8 into 5 upon 6. Second question. 2 upon 8 divided by 9 upon 7. Third question. 5 upon 8 minus 3 upon 7. Fourth question, 2 upon 8 plus 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon. Last question, I have written 3 terms for addition. This is the same. Take the LCM of the all 3. Okay, put the same method and find the answer. Okay students, so this was the class and meet you in the next class. I hope you have understand what I have told you. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.